because from artificial you become real. So we are all in the same process of going in the direction. So what Dharma says, Krishna says, to attain the highest, the Paramananda, the first thing is have the knowledge of one practice. Ekatatvabhyasa. That is like a sword. Take one thing, practice it forever. Like your mind should get so, for example, it's like brushing your teeth. You don't wake up every morning in the planning in your mind, no, now I'm going to brush my teeth. You just brush your teeth. So your spiritual practice should be like that. That you just, doesn't matter whatever it is, you are going to set a time and do it. No matter what, you are going to do it. That is possible, everybody? Yes. I think that's very much possible. You stick to that time. You are giving priority to that time, that space. But chalo bhai, man, if it is 6 in the morning, I am going to get up whether I slept at night or not. Does not matter. I am going to wake up and do it. That's what it's called in DSN, is become like a lion. It's not going and roaring at others. This is the lion. I am going to win over this mind. I'm going to wake up early. And doing one. Second is what? Vairagya. Vairagya means what? Simple. The pleasures we get out of our senses, that has to be curtailed. Cut actually. Not even curtailed, completely cut off. Because all the energy goes out through this. And one of the ancient processes that all of us have been doing from ages is Kamvasana. And the most difficult one. Isn't it? And that's why we are all here. Bhagavanta says the purpose of Kamvasana is for the growth of the Srishti. Other than that, if it is used for any other purpose, then it is adharma. You will never attain me. Never. Forget it. No matter you do 1,000 Sudarshan Kriyas, it will not happen. It will not happen. Because it is there in the Gita. It is written there very clearly. First is this. Second, of course, controlling all our senses, whether food, all the senses have to be in good control. When we control these senses, we attain that energy to experience the ultimate. So that's why it's called Brahmacharya. So Brahmacharya does not mean someone who is not married. Brahmacharya, just all of you use artificial intelligence, ChatGPT. Just go tonight and ask ChatGPT what is Brahmacharya. Please help me follow step-by-step procedures, and it will give you step-by-step procedures. What is Brahmacharya? It will tell you. First thing it will tell is Kamvasana. Don't indulge. Second, it will tell don't talk unnecessarily. Keep your mouth shut. Keep your mouth shut. Third thing, it will tell eat very less. Eat very less. Fourth thing, it will tell sleep less. See, I am not saying this is Brahmacharya rules. Don't come and blame me tomorrow. If this happened in the satsang and we are not. No. You won't fall sick. All this has to be done with keeping one goal in mind. What is that goal? I want to attain the highest. Then he will take over. Otherwise, punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam, punarapi janare jadare shayanam, iha sansare, bahudustare, kripaya apare, pahi murare, bhaja govindam, govindam, bhaja modamante. So all this we are doing is for that only. And then there are a few more rules, very simple rules. One, men in particular should not look at other women other than your wife. Not allowed. That is adharma. Second, this is common for everyone. We should not desire on others' wealth. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರ ಹತ್ರ ದುಡ್ಡಿದೆ, ದುಡ್ಡು ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಅಧರ್ಮ ಅಗೇನ್. Not allowed. I am not saying this, these are all written. Very simple, not difficult, very simple to follow. We just have to put a break here. And one of the easiest way to put a break is Nam Japa. Along with our Sudarshan Kriya practices, you add a Lord's name. Whether it is Krishna, Rama, Shiva, Parvati, anything, all are one only. What happens is when we do this Nama Japa, our consciousness, see all the ideas are coming in our consciousness, no? Yes or no? The consciousness is engrossed with these ideas. So we are taking this detergent of power of Nam and we are cleaning the mind along with the Sudarshan Kriya. See, Sudarshan Kriya takes 20 minutes practice, correct? After that we meditate 20 minutes. Remaining 24 hours, we still get angry, we still get upset. Let's be honest, no? Yes or no? I've been practicing Sudarshan Kriya for 20 years now. I know the truth. So Krishna says it's not just 20 minutes. Throughout the day, keep me in your mind, in your heart. Do everything but keep me in your mind. China sings a very beautiful bhajan. He says, Krishnana nenedare kashtavandishtilla Krishna enabarade. Whatever you do, keep your mind. And that comes through practice. That comes through practice every day, sitting in. So mind will go here and there. Hold the mind. Then again 3 stages. And following these rules of Brahmacharya, within no time you will see the result. Within no time. This I am telling from my experience. Very small experience. I am not boasting about it. But whatever I have experienced, I am sharing. Whatever I follow, I am sharing. If I don't follow, I will not tell. Are you understanding this? So all these practices of Guru Puja, all this is for that. Oh God, oh Gurudev, let my mind be engrossed in you, in the ultimate. Otherwise, what is there in this world? What are we thinking about? Nothing, it's all useless. Is there anything useful in this world that we think about? We make plans, no? So many plans we make. Has any plan happened according to us? But still we plan. That cut to that plan and telling, oh Lord, I am yours. That is what is spirituality. So today while we do Guru Puja, let's pray to Guru. A Guru only can show that way. देखो भाई, यही रास्ता है, मेरे को पकड़ो. But पकड़ के all nonsense if you do, then it will not work. I will hold your feet, but then I will look at other women. I will also desire for wealth, others' wealth. I will do cheating. I will have hatred towards other people. That will not. See, you can put whatever Veshbhushan outside, but where is the Lord sitting? Here. Hridaya kuhara madhye kevalam brahma matram. This is what in Bhagavatam Krishna says. Hridaya kuhara madhye kevalam brahma matram. Only Lord resides here. That's why when we introduce ourselves, where do we touch? Did somebody teach you this? Touch here and tell my name is so and so. No. It naturally came to us because that's where he resides. So no matter what we can do from outside, you can look very peaceful. You can act very peaceful. But inside there's a war zone going on. He knows. And that can only happen. Oh Krishna, oh Radhe, come on. I can't do this. I give it up. I can't do this. Only you can take me. Come on. I am your daughter and son. If you don't take me forward, I have to come back again every day for apple. Be for doll and bring the polio drops. And again go through all this nonsense. Are you understanding? So today while Guru Puja, let's all take this sankalpa that along with our Sudarshan Kriya practices, let's do some Nam Japa. I'll give you one more secret. This will give you more enthusiasm. Shall I share? For any name, you don't need initiation. God's name, for example, Shiva, Parvati, whatever, Krishna, Radhe. If you chant it 10 lakh times, how many times?
10 lakh.
10 lakh times within a stipulated period of time. You can't say, I will chant 10 lakh in 10 years. No. That you decide. That Nama will give you a siddhi. This is not my saying, it's written. And when I say stipulated period of time, with following brahmacharya rules. You can't break the brahmacharya rule. If you take this sankalpa, then you have to follow it 100%. And I have done the calculation. If you do Ram Japa, it takes 10 minutes to do 1008. Now I've given you maths. All the intelligent IAS students can now calculate it. So for 10 lakh Nam Japa, how many days is it going to take? Or you can break it into 4. Early morning, 10 minutes. Afternoon, 10 minutes. Evening, 10 minutes. Night before sleeping, 10 minutes. So in a day, 4,000 times we have done Japa. So if you do this for a week, suddenly when you wake up, when your mind is thinking of something, it's, oh God, no, I want to bring my mind back to that source, that name, that Nam Smaran. Then you will see the effect. All these, the vasanas, so-called vasanas, which have been coming along with us. So it is said, last thing I will finish with the Guru Puja. It is said when we die, it is not just the soul, not the prana shakti. Along with the prana shakti, all the vasanas get attached in the form of a ball. And wherever you go, it will come to you only. And through Nama and through meditation and through Kriya, we erase this slowly, and it takes time because it's not just this Janma. Thousands of Janmas. Okay, so with this, we will keep in this mind, take this sankalpa with Gurudev. Other than asking for health, education, all that is anyways there. Let's ask for the ultimate. What? Attaining the divinity. Not even for liberation. Attaining the divinity. Okay. So before we start the Guru Puja, let's keep the phone in silent. I would humbly request everybody to do so. And if anybody wants to stand up, if your feet is sleeping or something, you can also do that. So I understand. So that is also allowed. You want to switch off the fan, no? So we'll all do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. Everybody sets up. 5 sets of Nadi Shodhan. Everybody knows Nadi Shodhan Pranayam? to the ground and relax. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मच्छ्रीगुरुपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। अपवित्रः पवित्रो वा सर्वावस्थाङ्गतोऽपि वा यस्मरेत् पुण्डरीकाक्षम् सबाह्याभ्यन्तरशुचिः। नारायणं पद्मभवं वसिष्ठं शक्तिं च तत्पुत्रपराशरं च व्यासं शुकं गौडपदं महान्तं गोविन्दयोगीन्द्रमथास्य शिष्यम् श्रीशङ्कराचार्यमथास्य पद्मपादं च हस्तामलकं च शिष्यम् तं त्रोटकं वार्तिकपारमन्यान् अस्मद्गुरुं सन्ततमानतोऽस्मि। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादम् शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। यद्वारे निखिलानिलिम्पपरिषत् सिद्धिं विदत्ते निशम् श्रीमच्छ्रीलसितं जगद्गुरुपदम् नत्वात्मतृप्तिं गता। लोकाज्ञानपयोदपाठनधुरम् श्रीशङ्करं शर्मदम् ब्रह्मानन्द सरस्वती गुरुवरम् ध्यायामि ज्योतिर्मयम्। आवाहनं समर्पयामि श्री गुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः। आसनं समर्पयामि श्री गुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः। स्नानं समर्पयामि श्री गुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः। वस्त्रं समर्पयामि श्री गुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः। चन्दनं समर्पयामि श्री गुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः। अक्षतां समर्पयामि श्री गुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः। पुष्पं समर्पयामि श्री गुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः। धूपं समर्पयामि श्री गुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः। दीपं समर्पयामि श्री गुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः। आचमनीयं समर्पयामि श्री गुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः। नैवेद्यं समर्पयामि श्री गुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः। आचमनीयं समर्पयामि श्री गुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः। ताम्बूलं समर्पयामि श्री गुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः। श्रीफलं समर्पयामि श्री गुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः। आरातिक्यं कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। आरातिक्यं समर्पयामि श्री गुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः। आचमनीयं समर्पयामि श्री गुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः। पुष्पाञ्जलिं गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। श्री ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं विश्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणसहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। पुष्पाञ्जलिं समर्पयामि श्री गुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरुमूर्तिः पूजामूलं गुरोर्पदम् मन्त्रमूलं गुरोर्मनः
तुम्हें
नारायण जय गोविंद हरे ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹಾಡಿ नारायण नारायण जय गोविंद हरे ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹಾಡಿ ಈಗ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಜಯ जान रे इन सांसों में बस जा तू। नारायण नारायण जय गोविंद हरे। जय गोपाल
सुजला सुफला मलयज शीतला सस्यश्यामला मातरं वन्दे मातरं सुजला सुफला मलयज शीतला सस्यश्यामला मातरं वन्दे मातरं सुजला सुफला मलयज शीतला सस्यश्यामला मातरं वन्दे शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितया कुसुमित द्रुमधर शोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदा वरदा मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं सुजला सुफला मलयज शीतला सस्यश्यामला मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे वन्दे मातरम्
How are you all? Good? How was the satsang? Nice. Who organized it? Ram normally does very nice satsang. है ना? Generally. Always. You should call him more often, correct? Yes or no? Yes. So who organized this satsang? Who was the initiator? Huh? Ram. नहीं किसने इनिशिएट किया था ये प्रोग्राम? Who initiated this satsang today? लोग भाई nobody knows.
Ramdev ji has messaged us.
Ramdev ji and then I think Aditi and Ramdev, correct?
जी का
Aditi
इधर से आदित्य जी से idea.
So big round of applause for Aditi. Initiating and organizing this, है ना? Why did she do that? What was the reason behind that? Huh? Ramnavami is one, but another guy. What was the reason she organized it? ये आंसर नहीं करोगे कुछ फायदा ही नहीं होगा. बोलो, what was the reason she initiated this program? Huh? You have to participate, as simple as that. What was the reason she initiated this?
अभी Thursday the bhajans are going on, so it's like this.
Okay, other than that, no, VTP is obviously there. But even when we do VTP, there is some other thing. But other than that, why should we initiative to organize this?
Reconnect.
Huh?
Reconnect.
Other than that,
सबको एक साथ जोड़ने के लिए
correct, as simple as that, and that makes us happy. Do you agree?
Yes.
Any volunteering we do it because it makes us
Happy.
happy. Any big achievement we want in our life, it can happen only through volunteering. Let's say, I just remember Ramji was singing this, Sujla Sujla, correct? So that reminded me of the freedom fighting, correct? And that was all volunteering, or was it forced?
Volunteering.
Volunteering. Everything we achieved, at least in India, was because of good volunteer base. है ना? Do you agree or no?
Yes.
Can volunteering be done? Achha, let's say if you want to do anything in your life, do we need some guidance, some training?
Yes.
Yes. Is it a must or no?
Yes.
So similarly, we have this volunteer training program which we are doing from 10th and 11th and 17th, 18th. Correct, Ramji? That's the right, right? 10th, 11th, 17th, 18th. So there is a very nice talk of Gurudev. What he says is, when we do volunteering, let's say when Gandhiji fought against Britishers, correct? Was it easy? Was it like there were no challenges? There were challenges, है ना? And then there was one leader who guided them, correct? Similarly, when we do volunteering, let's say for art of living or anything, there are challenges which we face. How do we overcome is what this program is all about. Volunteering training program, है ना? Any challenges we face, how do we surpass them? So it won't help you just not to be better human being, but will make you a very, very good leader. And especially with Trump coming into picture, it's really needed. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
So I am telling you, do this program. 10, 11, 17, it's full day program, morning 6 to evening 7. A must do program. And it's happening. Organizing this VTP is not that easy. It won't happen again. At least for 1 year, that's my guarantee, it won't happen again. So don't miss this opportunity. Please do. How many of you have done advanced courses? Art of Living advanced courses? Oh, so many of you have done. How many of you have done VTP? So who have not done VTP should do. You have not done VTP? And then who else? Who else have done advanced courses who have not done VTP yet? So she will share you. She is only not able to come on. Anyone who has done VTP and would like to share her experience? ऐसे लोग क्या सोचेंगे कि Please share that experience.
Hi, my name is Prabhav. I am a master's student at IISc Bangalore, and I did my VTP last year, August. See, initially VTP we didn't know about too much about it, but our teachers they told us, yeah, we thought, I personally thought, I am doing volunteering, so why should I go for VTP? But after the program, we need some, there is a flow of water, but to channelize it, you need a pipe. So VTP is that channel which help us to guide our stream. So it was very amazing experience, and I think you should get that experience.
Ramdev, you want to share something?
My name is Ramdev. I am also a PhD student at IISc. And when I did the program, I loved my teacher. They were so much enthusiastic, dynamic, and we all. You remember your happiness program teacher? How many of you remember? इसने कराया था, इसने फंसाया था इसमें. Okay, some people might remember like that. So I was like, wow, विधि मुझे आपकी तरह बनना है. तो कि हाँ, one day you will also teach the program. मैंने बोला है क्या मजाक कर रहे हो? I cannot even stand in public and speak to people. Stranger लोग से बात नहीं कर सकता. And I mean, it's okay. I am fine in my position. You conduct. You are like a superhuman. So Didi said, no, we will just guide you step by step and you will become a teacher. So मुझे लगा ये दीदी ऐसे मजाक कर रहे हैं, सबको बोलते हो ऐसे. You know, over the next 6 months and 1 year, she was just guiding, okay, do this program, go for one AAP. धीरे धीरे करके ऐसे ही मीटिंग में भेज दिया. पता नहीं था what was happening. And I really improved so much, you know, really connecting with people, not just blabbering and speaking communication वो advertisement वाली करते ना. So really getting to know people's perception, how we can heart to heart connect with them. So all these skills I got through this program. You know, they was given us in VTP that power to take meditation for people. You know, anywhere you go, you can lead meditation. Isn't that a blessing? Doing meditation itself is a blessing, but taking meditation for others, that is what we say. That blessing you get from VTP. So those who have not done, just go. You know, just take help of teacher and register, and it's like lots of gates will be open for you. You know, when you come out of VTP. So all of you must do this volunteer training program. Yeah. Anyway, whatever can be your age, from 21 to anything is fine. Just go for it. You know, it's like आप लोग ने when did you do your last program in Art of Living? कब किया था? Last 1 year? Last. Okay. कोई भी लोग हैं जो 20 साल पहले किए थे ऐसे? Okay, 20 साल पहले. He is so proudly raising the hand. Okay. You know, Gurudev has given us so many things. हम लोग एक चीज लेके we just sit down. वो मुझे तो मिल गया, मोक्ष मिल गया. Gurudev has given so many steps. So these are like steps. If we take one step, you know, Guru takes 100 steps towards us. So it's in our hand. We just take one step, and whatever we want, we will get it much more smoothly, much more with less efforts. Yeah. So this has transformed my life, and I invite you all to come for the VTP. Yeah. Deal? If you are so for this VTP, one AAP is required. अगर आप लोगों ने AAP नहीं किया एडवांस प्रोग्राम, you go for the next AAP. Gurudev's birthday special AAP will happen this month of May. So after that, you can go for the volunteer training program. Yeah. You will become like a lion. Yeah. Really. The transformation which I have seen in myself, you know, I could not believe that I could, you know, do talking and all this. So it has been amazing. So you will also do. Yeah. Thank you so much, Ram Bhaiya. I just